Hey guys, what's up? It's me, RIDZZ CUBER, and today this video is special because what's going to happen in this video has never been occur in my channel. Means what I want to say that in this video I'll solve my 4x4 but in time lapse. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and if you do, please smash the like button. And another thing which is special about this video is something is gonna appear up right here from this video. So that's going to happen in 3, 2 and 1. So if you like that then a logo, then please smash the like button. And so we should start the time lapse. So the time lapse will start in 3, 2 and 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse, and if you did, then please leave a like and please share this video as much as you can with your friends, with your family members, with anyone you know. And if you have any questions or any video suggestions, then please leave me in the comment section down there. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on the bell icon so you get notified when I upload a video. And please let me know that should I do a slow motion video of solving the 3x3. So let me know that in the comments. So bye bye, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, enjoy cubing.